don't have any previous online money making experience? You're in luck because today I'll show you how to earn $20 online in just 20 seconds by clicking emails. That basically means you'll get paid $1 every second. Isn't that fascinating? This method is both safe and legitimate because a lot of people use it every single day. Furthermore, this method is incredibly user-friendly. To begin earning, follow step number 1, which is to watch the video to finish and visit the websites mentioned. Step 2 is to begin clicking as many emails as possible. Step 3 is to cash out your money via PayPal. You won't have to worry about where you're from because this strategy works any place on the planet. This method of getting money online is completely legal, and you can use it again and again to increase your earnings. So stay tuned and then sit back, relax, and follow along with me as I walk you through this guide. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in Target, Walmart, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Before we begin our guide, if you do not already have an email account such as Yahoo Mail, Outlook, Gmail, or another similar service, I need you to go to google.com. I also want you to use the search bar to look up the term Gmail. As you probably know from that, Gmail will be the software we use to receive emails today. Now, go ahead and click on this gmail.com link right here. You'll be led to this website after clicking that, where you'll need to sign up for a free Gmail account. To create one, you'll need to fill in your first name, last name, username, and password. Click Next after that. Gmail will ask you to fill in some more personal information on the next page, which is why I won't go into great detail about that. Now that you've completely set up your Gmail account, it's time to visit the platform named ClicksGenie.com, which looks like this. This is where you can get paid to read emails, as you can see right here. As stated right here, they have over 21,000 total number members. They also have this number of members earning money online by clicking and reading emails. Moreover, they have currently paid out nearly $7,000 to all of their active members. You may see payment proofs for all of their users throughout the world just below that. To discuss more about this platform, I'll need you to scroll up a little. ClicksGenie is described as very easy to use with a lean and friendly interface. They're also quite safe and secure to use. The fact that you can track all of your revenue shows that this service is transparent. Additionally, by inviting your friends to this website, you can make money in a variety of ways. Furthermore, as stated right here, you can make up to 320% extra money for each active referral you receive up to 5 levels deep, which is excellent. Finally, this website provides an excellent user experience because, as indicated right here, it is very fast to navigate. As you scroll down, you'll notice that your payments are always immediate. On ClicksGenie, all payments are fast, and you'll be paid in minutes. And as mentioned right here, the minimum payout is 1 cent. Finally, you can use a variety of payment methods because you can get paid promptly using Bitcoin, PayPal, or Perfect Money. Now we'll go on to how to start earning money on this platform officially, and I'll need you to pay great attention to every aspect. To get started, I'll need you to create a free account. Simply click the register button in the upper right corner of your screen to do so. You'll then be directed to this page where you must enter your username, email address, password, and confirm your password. Fill in your first and last names, as well as your address, city, state, and zip code. The next step is to select your gender. You may now see the referral field, which you can leave blank. After that, click the I'm not a robot option and then check these 3 boxes to agree to the website's terms and conditions. Finally, click the register button to successfully take your first steps toward earning money online on ClicksGenie.com. I need you to log into your account after you've successfully created it. This page will appear after you've logged in. This is your dashboard, and it's here that you'll see how much money you've earned with ClicksGenie. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, select Statistics, and then select Leaderboard. Here's where you can locate the top 10 earners on this platform for today. You'll notice that they've made hundreds of dollars and more than $1,000. In addition, the top 10 nations with the most users are displayed. As I mentioned in the introduction, this strategy works all around the world, and this evidence just proves that. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now let's get down to business and figure out how you make money today. I need you to pay close attention to everything I'm about to say because the information I'm about to present is really important. After you've logged into your account, please go to previously established Gmail account and check your mailbox. You should now get this notice from ClicksGenie in your email, which you should read to ensure you get advertising and get paid. This message will walk you through the steps necessary to begin earning money. It states that you must first locate their welcome email and validate your account. According to the next step, to get started, you'll need to add ClicksGenie to your contact list. And to do so, hover your mouse over the sender's name at the top of the email, then select Add to Contacts in the pop-up pane. That's all there is to it, and you'll be able to receive emails to open right away. Furthermore, if you scroll down a little farther, you will see an important note stating that if you do not log into your account at least once every 15 days, your account will be terminated and you will lose all of your earnings, so make sure you do so. Finally, once you've completed this step, you'll begin receiving emails from ClicksGenie, similar to this. After that, you'll need to click on the links in their emails, which will bring you to many respective different pages. On those certain pages, all you have to do is to stay for at least 20 seconds, and ClicksGenie will pay you $1 every second. That's fantastic, right? Make sure you complete all the steps indicated in this video, as well as opening as many ClicksGenie emails as possible, and repeating the process as many times as possible to maximize your earnings online. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word cash inside emails. And you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.